So I remember when I was just coming out of school back in the mid-'80s, and I wrote a paper on the factory of the future. And in it made some suggestions about what was going to be important over the following decades. And I had a chance actually to revisit that paper when I was at Georgia Tech a few weeks ago. And one of the points that was made in that paper was how programmable controllers across multiple industries and around the world were going to be an important engine of productivity for those manufacturers. And I think we've seen just that happen, and Logix specifically has played a very material role in the acceleration of that productivity with its ease of use, its multidiscipline capabilities, and the capacity to be able to incorporate new functionality in the basic hardware platform without causing manufacturers to have to discard all of their previous investment. What began as a product development among a small but very focused and highly motivated team of developers in Cleveland all those years ago has blossomed into truly one of the engines of productivity across plants around the world as they seek for higher levels of productivity in their manufacturing and other forms of production. I think it goes without saying that Logix is also one of the key engines of Rockwell Automation's growth and prosperity. And so it's my pleasure to commemorate a strong past, but equally to be able to look forward to a bright future for Logix and the solutions that we provide that are based on Logix around the world and in multiple industries.